we're just concerned for your safety because.
So I'm saying bye to Van Buren. No, I'm walking out. I'm walking that way.
You can't walk up the highway.
Well, my car is out down that way. Oh, you want me to walk through here?
That way.
That way?
How did you get here?
I came through there. I don't know where's. I don't know what's down there.
Opening up here. You've been informed twice. Okay.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm walking.
Not gonna say the third
Look,
time.
I'm walking on the woods.
We're done. We're done.
Oh, come on, man.
Welcome back to San Joaquin News Network. When cops tell you that they're there for your safety, that's an absolute lie. Just think about what happened in Uvalde, Texas. Were they there for the safety of the kids? No, they were there for the safety of the gunman. Let me explain. Just like gun laws, the only people that have to leave their guns at home are law-abiding people. The criminals never have and never will care about gun laws. They carry guns anyways. Think about that, folks. That right there is Police Hypocrisy 101, and that is why this channel has grown so fast. This video comes to you from Mario's channel, Not the End of Freedom. This man was recording the incident that happened on the side of the road for documentary purposes. The troopers walk up to him twice. The first time they walk up with presumed authority. The second time they walk up with unbridled power. And they display unprofessionalism and unreasonable requests. They actually tell the man to go down the cliff through the rubble. Then they escalated the encounter into an arrest. Let's watch the video and we'll pause for comments.
We'll see what they have to say about it. You guys gonna get hit in there. You guys gonna get hit.
Yeah, I know.
Over here. All right, Sergeant Van Buren, Corporal Barrett.
Okay.
Get away from the.
I am. That's why I moved here. That's why I'm good here.
We need you to back away from this.
Okay. How far you want me at? Because am I good here?
Well, this is the thing. What's your name?
Mario.
Mario. The issue is when we're just concerned for your safety because when they flip this tractor trailer over, we don't want anything to fly off and hit you.
Okay.
Because that's a safety concern for us, and we don't want you to get hurt.
Okay. You want me to move back there then?
How did you get here?
I'm over there. I walk through that road over there.
You walk down through here?
Yes.
Okay. I mean, as far
I'm not walking on the highway. This is why I try to explain to him.
Vehicle parked?
No, I'm parked right on that side.
Down there somewhere.
Yeah, I'm not on the highway.
So this vehicle split back over. We need you to go a safe distance.
Okay. You want me to buy the pole? You want me to buy the sign? I want to see what's going on. I'm reporting live on Facebook right now.
Yeah. Back at least behind that mile.
Behind them? Okay.
But yeah, as long as you're not on.
Yeah, when the vehicles start moving, then I when I feel danger, you know.
Okay.
All right. That sounds fair? Yeah, but I don't want this guy. I don't want this guy to come and threaten me to arrest and threaten me to get me out of here because I'm interfering.
No,
I'm always here.
Walking on the interstate, that's a problem.
I know, but it's in my video. You guys gonna see my video. You guys watch my videos. You know?
You're fine. Just right now, if you can back
over there. Yeah, I appreciate it. I appreciate you clarify this because I'm kind of, I want to stay, I want to record, but these guys don't want me to, you know. I'm not on a highway. I'm not never been on a highway.
Okay.
All right.
Just be careful because if somebody wrecks here.
No. I trust me. I'm pretty awake. Okay. I know what I'm doing, guys.
Okay. So go ahead.
All right.
Right now.
All right, man.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you. What's your name again? You say? Barron.
Corporal Barron.
Corporal Barron. Okay. Thank you, guys. Okay, so I guess I'm gonna follow their commands, and I'm gonna be right here, guys. I don't want any trouble with these pigs, you know, because obviously I'm not in danger.
Don't go anywhere, folks. These troopers go and make a phone call to their supervisor. They come back with this absolute authority mentality, and they start demanding that the man get off the side of the freeway. But what I find extremely funny is that they basically tell him to go down the cliff. But the man decides to go ahead and walk away. But I guess he wasn't walking away fast enough for these troopers, so they decided to arrest him. Let's have a look.
Hey, Mario. We were just on the phone with the Incident 4 PennDOT supervisor.
Okay.
He has informed us that they own 30 feet off the highway.
30 feet?
30 feet. So in order, if you want to, I don't know if you're going to be able to see much, but they don't want you on that property. So you're going to need to go back 30 feet.
Okay, no, I'm ready to wrap it up, right?
Okay.
You know, it's funny that you guys see me doing nothing wrong, and then you just have to.
We're not going to have a conversation back and forth.
I know. I know we're not gonna have, because you guys never had nothing better to say.
Right now to go 30 feet back.
No, I'm leaving right
You're
now.
gonna be cited.
Guys, this is
right
it.
now.
I'm leaving right now. So I'm saying bye to Van Buren. No, I'm walking out. I'm walking that way.
You can't walk up the highway.
Well, my car is out down that way. Oh, you want me to walk through here?
That way.
That way?
How did you get here?
I came through there. I don't know where's. I don't know what's down
There's
there.
an opening up here? Is that what you're saying?
Well, if I came through there, it's because it's an opening. I don't know what the area is around there. You guys telling me to go in the woods instead of me walking?
You have to go 30 feet off. Were you dropped off on this interstate?
No, I'm parked right down here.
Okay. How did you walk up through the woods?
I walked through here and I came up where the bridge is. There's a cement, you know.
Right
that's
over
where the
here
bridge. Yeah.
around that sign?
Yeah.
Let's go right now. We'll help make sure you
All right.
get there.
All right. All right, guys.
I don't want you to get hurt going down there.
I'm not gonna get hurt. I'm not gonna get hurt here. I just have you guys, you know, trying to get me hurt.
No, absolutely
Well,
not.
you just told me to go down there that way.
Keep walking. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, guys. I have these guys escorting me out of the highway. So.
Careful.
So this is what we have. State police telling me that I'm not allowed to be here, and they rushing me. I gotta walk the pace that I walk.
You've been informed twice, okay?
Okay, yeah, but I'm
not
walking.
gonna say the third
Look,
time.
I'm walking on the
Okay,
woods.
We're done. We're done.
Oh, come on, man.
Come on over.
Oh, let's go. Come on.
You're gonna be cited.
Up. Pick your leg up.
No, you gotta lift me. I can lift. Yeah. Thank you. Hey, why are you taking my phone?
Now you're going in handcuffs. You're going to be handcuffed until I finish citing you.
In many Hollywood movies, you're going to see that at the end of the movie, police officers save the day. But folks, when was the last time you watched a documentary involving police departments? I recently watched one called The Sons of Sam. Check that one out if you haven't seen it yet. It's mind-blowing. But you are going to see exactly what I'm talking about. Police officers screw up all the time. A lot of times it's because of bureaucracy. Maybe you got somebody running for chief. Maybe you got somebody running for sheriff. In many cold case files documentaries, you'll see how bad of a job police officers did. You know what that means? That means they're not doing their job correctly. That means a lot of people are not getting justice. That means there's a lot of ego involved, a lot of narcissism, a lot of racism. And a lot of times I know I point to the fact that police officers aren't trained properly. None of the cops that I encounter know anything about the First Amendment of the Constitution, which mirrors your natural born rights, which is supposed to limit the scope of authority that they have over you, the people. And I don't like to say citizen. Let's keep that in mind, folks. Consider yourself one of the people. You're not better than the people. You're just one of the people, just like me. And I know my rights and I stand up for my rights. I record police and I hold them accountable. And this channel seems to keep growing fast because we point out a lot of things that a lot of other channels don't. In fact, a lot of the other channels watch my channel to have an idea of what to talk about. So let's talk about RAS, reasonable articulable suspicion that you have committed a crime. That's what they need in order to get ID from you. Let's talk about SAF, SAF. They need a single articulable fact that you actually committed a crime in order to arrest you. So what crime did this man commit? Not walking fast enough? Standing on the side of the freeway documenting what was happening? Where is the crime? Clearly the troopers said that they're there for his safety, but are they really there for his safety? Absolutely not, folks. That is Police Hypocrisy 101. Before you go, we're going to teach you the First Amendment of the Constitution. This is important. You have a freedom of speech, freedom of religion, freedom of press, freedom to assemble, and freedom to petition your government for a redress of grievances. Know it and understand it, and you'll be able to use it, and you'll be able to hold them accountable. But don't forget to record. If you have videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. You guys, go subscribe to the End of Freedom's channel and let them know I sent you. I'll see you guys in his comment section. Have yourselves a blessed day. Peace.